First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatir Al-Bakri Abdillah, student identification number 442507739 from the Faculty of Communication and Languages, majoring in Communication Studies with a concentration in Public Relations. On this occasion, I will explain the topic I have chosen, which is the simple present tense. And I'm from 1F class. Okay, next, what is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. What does present mean? Present in the simple present tense means now. Simple means simple and tense refers to the verb form used in the time period. When is the present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Furthermore, the simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence type 0 and 1, followed by the simple future tense. And judging by the name, the formula for this tense isn't too complicated. This is because we use it frequently in our daily lives. Before diving deeper, it's helpful to recall the structure of the sentence. So we can say a sentence consists of the following three things. The formula is subject, predicate, and complement, but only two are mandatory, guys, namely subject and predicate. Okay, the formula is I am noun, and then you, they, we. To be is are and plus adjective, and then he, she, it plus to be is plus adverb. Okay, next, what is the formula for simple present tense? Is general for the formula simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 s or es plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, the formula for the present tense is subject auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Okay, next, nominal simple present tense. How do you create a simple present tense sentence? Here's a simple present tense formula you can use. The positive is subject plus to be plus complement. The negative is subject plus to be plus not plus complement. And the third or integratory to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal sentence pattern, like the positive sentence example is I am an international school student, but the negative we plus not in the after subject. Okay, like she is not an international school student. And then the third one is she an international school student? Okay, next, verbal simple present tense. The formula positive, negative, and integrate of the simple present tense for verbal pattern is positive is subject for plus verb 1 plus ses plus complement. The negative is subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. The third one, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In accordance with the previous discussion in verbal sentence, you don't need to add to the be after the subject because the verb is the one in charge of doing. Okay, next, this formula again. Subject. The subject is ayu, they, we, he, she, it. The predicate is verb 1, but the subject he, she, it, we choose verb 1 plus s or es plus adjective. Next, positive or affirmative. Just like normal nominal sentence, verbal sentence also have a positive form as we discussed early example of simple present tense sentence. The example is I live in Jakarta. The second sentence is he lives in Jakarta. Okay. The negative, the example I don't live in Bandung, and then she doesn't live in Bandung. Okay, next, simple present question interrogative. In the question sentence pattern it is divided into two parts, namely yes or no question, do I work, does he work, as the name of the type suggests, namely yes or no question. So you only need to answer the question above with yes I do and yes he does. Okay, what are some example of the simple present tense? The positive sentence like she wants to be a doctor, cows eat grass, they speak English, eat at the office, yeah, he likes bananas. Okay, the negative sentence like they don't have a money, Lala doesn't see Peter in the class, and 3, my best friend doesn't love you. Okay, next, the interrogative sentence like do they talk a lot, and does he play tennis, and 3, does your father drink coffee? Okay, time words or adverbs of the time in simple present tense. The time adverb, well discussed here, have another term, adverbs of frequency. In fact, time words aren't always present in every simple present tense, like usually, always, rarely, often, sometimes, and never. Okay, next, function and use of simple present tense. General truth. 1. General truth. Example, the earth revolves around the sun. Number 2, habitual or daily activities, aka repeated action. The example is we go to school by bus every morning. The 3, express feeling and emotions. The feelings example is I am sad to hear your bad news. The example of emotion is I always thankful because have a great best friend. Okay, number 4, the scheduled event in the near future or familiar with future condition. The example is the train departs at 8 a.m. The number 5 is comment or instruction. The example is draw pattern of use fingerprint to unlock and power the juice into the cup. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you for the listening and watching. I hope this assignment the very good. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.